Hello and welcome to Passkit. Today I am going to show you how to create, distribute and manage digital ID cards. Digital ID cards offer versatile solutions across a wide range of industries. Universities use them for student identification and managing various administrative tasks. For businesses, they help manage staff details and simplify internal processes. Digital ID cards can also be integrated with loyalty or rewards programs, allowing businesses to offer points, perks, or other incentives. Sign up for Passkit today and enjoy a 45-day free trial, giving you full access to all of our features. This trial period allows you to explore everything our platform has to offer, from digital ID cards to event ticketing solutions and much more. Once signed up, you'll be directed to the dashboard. To start creating a digital card, you need to press Create New. You will see a number of different passes to choose from. As we are creating a digital ID card, we are going to choose Basic Membership. This pass will provide everything we need to get started. Now press Create Pass. We're now at the Pass Creator, where you can customize the layout, colors, branding, and details of your pass. You will also see the Google and Apple Wallet sections. These will both need to be completed. On the left side, the first option is Add Items, where you can drag and drop elements onto your pass. The first part shows the current items within your pass. Next, you'll see Custom Fields. This is where you can add links to your pass to websites or social media. Dynamic fields are used to display unique information for each individual pass, while static fields provide consistent details that stay the same across all passes. Finally, we have advanced fields. These are commonly used items that are used to build a pass. The next section is Themes. Here, you can add your lock screen icon, logo image, and fully customize the design of your pass. You can change the color of the background, title, and text. Finally, we have the barcode section. This is where you choose your desired barcode that will be placed in the pass. You can choose from QR code, Aztec, PDF 417, and code 128. Below this, you can input encoded content and also choose what will be shown below the barcode. The security animation uses a shimmer effect for the Google Wallet. The rotating barcode is used for extra security. If needed, you can also utilize NFC technology for your passes. We are now going to take a look at the Details section. Here you can search your app and add a link that will be displayed on the front of the pass. We also have options for automatic updates and notifications. At the bottom is where you put your items for the back of the pass. Here you can provide information or links. We can also change some settings within the pass. The template name, the description, the time zone, and the language. We also have some settings for the Google Wallet and the Apple Wallet. In the Design section, we will see options to add and edit tiers. You can configure pass tiers to represent loyalty levels, employee roles, or other customizable categories. We also have settings for the particular tier where we can change the name, time zone, and expiry details. You can set up location-based notifications to alert customers when they're within range of a designated area. Beacons can also be embedded in your pass, triggering a lock screen message to automatically appear when users approach the beacon. We are now going to go to the distribution section. Here, you can edit and customize the welcome email that employees or students receive along with their pass. You'll be able to change the subject, sender's name, and the content within the email. You can also edit the button design and the text. You also have the option to enable the enrollment form. Here, you can create a data collection page for your customers to complete, enrolling them directly into your program. Like the pass, we can drag and drop items onto the form. We also have the themes section where we can change the color of the form, and also a section to add your own CSS code. Finally, you have the option to enable password protection on the page where your form will be. Next, we are going to look at the Members section. This is where you can add participants to your program. You can add members manually by clicking the Add Member button. This is useful if you plan to add a small amount members to your program. Here you will see options to place the member on a specific tier. Give them a certain amount of points, and other information that will be placed on the pass. There is also the option to add a profile image as well. The most efficient way to add members to your program is by importing a CSV file. You can drag and drop the file and start the process. Finally, we have settings. In the Program Details section, you can update the program name, which will serve as the primary identifier for the entire program. Next is Program Settings. Here you will be able to adjust settings for pass recovery, profile images, points tracking, and member event data retention, giving you full control over how member information is managed and maintained. We are now going to integrations where we can connect our program with other tools and platforms. This includes tools like Zapier for automation, MailChimp for email marketing, CodeReader for barcode scanning and verification, and MoEngage for customer engagement and marketing automation. Next is webhooks. Webhooks are used to send real-time notifications for changes to your passes, like when a pass is updated, added to a device, or removed. Pass APIs allow you to generate unique API tokens, enabling you to connect and integrate with third-party applications. Finally, we have Smart Pass links, which allow you to share your digital passes through a unique URL. These links can be distributed via email, SMS, or embedded on websites. We are now ready to start creating our digital ID card. We are going to focus on the Google Wallet first. We'll start by updating the organization name. Followed by changing the title of the pass. Once that's done, we'll adjust the positioning of each item to ensure everything is perfectly placed within the pass. We'll remove the points item for this example, but you can use it to implement loyalty for your staff. We will move the name item from the back of the pass to the front. and add email, mobile, and external ID items in the advanced fields. We'll update the external ID label to Employee ID, as this is where it will display for each employee. I'll move the information item to the top of the back of the pass so it appears first. Now we can move on to adding the logo and the background of the pass. The logo dimensions are different for the Google and Apple Wallet, so it's important to change the logo for the specific pass. Now we will change the color of the background. I know the hex code, so I will input that now. I'm going to change the barcode to QR code. And we can move on to the Apple Wallet. We will need to remove any items that we don't need first, and rearrange and add the current items that we have in the Google Wallet. So let's do this now. In the Apple Wallet, you can add items to the top right of the pass, so we will add the employee ID. Let's move on to adding the logos for the Apple Wallet. Make sure to add the lock screen icon. This will also have specific dimensions. For the Apple Wallet logo, you can choose either square or rectangle dimensions. We are going to use rectangle for this pass. The profile image can stay as is, allowing each member to have their own. If you'd prefer to use this space for your own image instead of the person's profile, you can add it here. Okay, we have completed all the sections that we need. We are now going to create a member as an example and then see what it looks like on both Google and Apple Wallet. Let's go to the Members section where we can manually add a member. I'm going to input some details to show how this all looks within the pass. As we assigned the external ID for employee numbers, we will place the employee ID here. I will add the rest of the information. At the bottom, we can add the profile image for that particular member. Let's do that now. Once the member has been added, we can click on Other Actions and go to Pass URL. This will take you to a link where you can add the pass either to your Google or Apple Wallet. Once you or the customer has added the ID card to the wallet, you will be able to access your ticket on the Google or Apple Wallet. Any changes you make will update in real time. If you want to add content or links to the back of the pass for your employees, you can easily do so.